Read this. Hey, a decoy is a decoy. I think I might know those guys. It works for me. In Indiana, you play basketball no matter what the weather. That's a good idea. Looks like one of those new Chinese trucks. It took a while, but somebody finally figured it out. Hey, that works for me. If you're using the handlebars, that could be a messy bathroom. I can't argue with that. I'm going to leave that one alone. That kid must be driving through Atlanta. Old Chainsawbob and that Yamaha sure get around. They ought to feed those dogs more often. Back in my day, we would have called those guys cool cats. I think I met that dog. Sooner or later, everyone. Sooner or later. Yep, that dog's got a lot of balls. You think that bear's trying to play through? Don't worry, honey, I've got this. 3 little girls and a cat are yelling, "Mama!" Strawberry flavored deodorant. What next? Moses, your bush is burning. Look, honey, a catfish. You'd better not tell my Pete in here. When the sergeant says jump, you jump. It's the Titanic, honey. What else could happen? Where in the hell is the brakes? Honey, I propose a toast. I see they put a sign up to stop that target shooting. Well, I guess they know me. Yeah, my shop's got all the comforts of home. Laugh, at least the battery don't go dead. 62 years of old Chainsawbob riding. And you know that's the truth. Thanks to all 165,000 of you for watching.